Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, my point of discussion is online trading platforms and its legal status in Sharia. There are a number of online trading platforms who are promising people lot of money and so many innocent peoples are working on it or involved into it without knowing if such trading or working with such platform is halal or not. Today I am specifically talking about such things. So, in my opinion, very straightforward online trading platforms who offer forex trading, derivatives trading, and margin trading in commodities is not Sharia compliant and cannot be called halal. The basic principle of Islamic contract or Islamic trading is there should not be a riba, interest-based transaction. There must be al-bay, trade and commerce. There should not be garar, ambiguities, uncertainties, and misleading terms in contracts. Prohibition of maisir, the gambling, excessive risk taking, and the speculation. Prohibition of conducting business involving prohibited commodities. So all these things makes a contract an Islamic, but this may not be enough. There needs to be more than this, which will make the contract Sharia compliant and the halal. So the what you are trading must be existing or existable, valuable, lawful and usable, capable of ownership and title, capable of delivery and possession, specific and quantified. Seller must have title along with a related risk. So unless and until all these terms are fulfilled, we cannot call any transaction or any trade halal. Now let us see very specifically to the forex trading. In Sharia, currency trading or forex trading is completely not allowed and not halal. What is allowed in the forex trading or the currency trading is exchange, spot exchange of two currencies happening hand to hand is what it is allowed. You gave the dollar and you took the UK pound, British pound. You gave the British pound, you took the euro. You gave the euro and took Indian rupee. This is what, and this must be on spot, hand to hand. This is what is allowed. Anything else happening is not allowed and not Sharia compliant. Now, what happens on the forex trading for if I'm buying today $10 and I'm thinking that in the next 10 days or 15 days or 1 month, if this I will sell this dollar for more value, but not paying fully for the dollar is what exactly called haram and not Sharia compliant. Trading in the dollar or trading in the currency is not allowed in Sharia, and this is trading in the currency or changing values of this currency is single most reason of the world's poverty. So any form of trading in the currency or foreign exchange is completely not halal and is not Sharia compliant. Everybody must avoid such acts of haram. Now, second thing, derivatives. What is derivatives? Any type of derivatives or trading on derivatives or which does not exist. There is nothing usable in the derivatives. It is not existing. Its a value cannot be verified. It is nothing but gambling. Derivatives trading is nothing but gambling. There is no product involved into it, and that is the reason why derivatives trading cannot be called halal. All types of derivatives trading are in that form. Any such trading which does not involve any real valuable thing behind it along with its ownership and the title cannot be called halal. So derivatives trading in principle is not Sharia compliant and cannot be called halal. Now the last and foremost thing which is I am more concerned is a commodities trading or margin trading. See, margin trading is not halal. Basically, in the case of the trading, even though the one who is selling the product must sell the product with a full value, and the buyer of the product must buy the product with the full value before it can sell. Ownership must be transferred, and if that is not happen before, and only a margin money is taken or very small fraction of the total value is taken in the trade, this is not a trade but this is just gambling, and such gamblings cannot be allowed in the Islamic finance. So any trading in the name of margin trading, commodities trading cannot be called halal. So online platform, basically whoever promises to make you very rich, remember they are not Sharia compliant and they are not halal. Avoid all such platforms. There can be n number of names, but before you start working on them, before you start investing on them, please see what exactly they are doing, how you are going to make money in the trading platforms, online trading platforms, unless and until whole the process and the product behind the process is Sharia compliant and halal, your income cannot be halal. Single most problem of the society is the haram in the life. See, if you want a peaceful life, happy life, stop all types harams in the life. And today, in the name of business, whatever is happening, like online trading platform, which is becoming more and more and more open and accessible, is the single biggest haram coming into the life. It may be derivatives, it may be margin trading, it may be commodity, it may be forex trading, or it can be Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies. These are the new types of harams in the market, and all such harams must be avoided and stopped. So keep your eyes open. Go for halal. It may be small, it may be less, but it will be enough for you. So may Allah bless everybody with a halal income and ease difficulties of everybody. Thank you very much for listening to my video. Subscribe to our channel to know more about investing and trading in the real businesses. Thank you very much.